Hey guys, Farmer Phil here from Farmer Phil's Toy Barn, and I'm back with another unboxing. And this is of the John Deere CT322 skid steer. Like I said, I have a lot of skid steers, so we'll be doing more skid steers in the future. But this one has attachments with it, and if I remember right, it has a land leveler and a post hole digger. So let's get started. Hopefully it won't be that hard to get out of the box. There it is. Let me get my scissors. This is a very nice skid steer model. I do have one, but I think I did a custom on it. I repainted it a little bit, so that wouldn't be a true Ergo model. So I just thought I'd do this one. As you can see, here it is. It's a Cat 322. Yeah, 322. Should come right out. Yep, just like that. Very nice. Does have some assembly required, but it's no big deal. You have to put the side panels on it. The accessories are twisty tied in, which you'll have to get the twisty ties off. Which shouldn't be a problem if you have the right cutters and not scissors, because scissors don't work well. Maybe. Oh man, it's taped again. I didn't think it was going to take me this long. But it does keep your stuff safe when they're shipping it. Okay, I got everything out. Fix myself here. Okay, let's get started with the skid steer itself. It does have plastic ring here. Need to take this off. This is dusty because it was on a shelf. The box was. So here it is. John Deere CT322. You can see it has good cylinders. They stay up. Good. Pull the joysticks down, and the cab does flip up. You can see your detail down in there, which is nice. John Deere on the front here. Your joysticks stay down at the bottom. When you flip it back down, make sure they're out of the way so you don't break them off. You just push them in, and your cab stays down a little bit. It's not going to stay down all the way. As you can see, it has tracks. They roll well. They're independent. As you can see, this side rolls, this side doesn't. They're independent, which is cool. You have your handrails, you have your step here, and in the back does open. You can see in there, the radiator comes out. Should come out, my other one comes out. Yeah, radiator comes out, shows you your fan belt, and as you can see, it's a very detailed motor in there. So to put the side panels on, you put your radiator back in. As you can see, here's the side panels. I gotta remember how they go in. Pretty sure they go in just like this. I'll figure it out here. Just keep watching. Well, anyway, they would go in and it would look good. I didn't read the directions. I don't even think they give you directions. Oh no, I got it now. I remembered. I was putting them in the wrong way. Still got the wrong one. Sorry about this, guys. I should have looked at it more before I tried doing it. Okay, there we go. As you can see, there's your side panel on it. It just goes on, just slips on, but I had trouble for some reason. I don't know why, don't ask. Okay, first here's your post hole digger. Put that on. Very cool. Your hydraulic lines. There's nowhere to hook them up. But I just stick them up to the handrail. It looks good enough. And you do have, when you pull up, your post hole digger does rest, so you can have it up in the air. And your next is your land leveler, and I will get into more detail here in a minute. It's bent down. Just like that. Land leveler is on it. That's cool. So let's get the details here. Your land leveler has cylinders that can turn it. Has front wheels that turn, and the leveler itself spins. Like I said, there is hydraulic lines, and you do hook it up by a little, just sits over the thing. Post hole digger does have your John Deere model on it there. Hydraulic lines. It does not spin very well anyway. And it's, like I said, there is a rest to hold it. And it's just cool. This model is a very cool model. I don't remember how much I got for it, and I didn't look it up on eBay, but I'm sure we can get it for under $100, I'm sure. It's a very nice model, very high detailed. It was produced in 2009, so not that old of a model, but very high detailed, very nice. I do recommend this model to anyone. So this has been Farmer Phil from Farmer Phil's Toy Barn, signing off.